Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to make like a really quick video. I've got two things basically. One, a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel in the last, I don't know, week and a half. But yeah, so I thought I'd just also do a video on this. So this came in the post today. I spoke a little bit in my last video about OCT composites, and a few of you've been asking about where it came from, so I'll put again the link in the description below of where I got my kaolin or plenum, whatever you want to say, the carbon fibre one. And yeah, so basically because of what happened previously and the fact that it took a long time for like all the products to arrive, well, the product to arrive, they said to me that they were going to give me some free B pillars, like carbon fibre ones, and I was always a bit like, okay, fair enough, like fine, Judge. I was like, oh, okay, fair enough, fine, like feel free. And I was sort of like, yeah, okay, that sort of makes the situation a little bit better, because like you've acknowledged that it's like been late, so you're trying to make it better. And then it just kept going on and on and on. And then I got this today, which I wasn't expecting. I've already took the sellotape off the end and I've got this far, but I wanted to unwrap the rest with you guys, just because why not? And I've never really seen them before. So they are literally, as I said, carbon fibre B pillars. But yeah, so I'll just unwrap them, show you what it looks like, and then I'll put the link in the description below. And then I'll see, I guess, I won't put in this video me fitting them because my car's got to go back to the body shop for a little bit of a touch up on the door. I'll make a video in the future with these put on, but it won't be in this video. But I just wanted to show you what they were like up close so you can all sort of see them. Mad. Okay, so hang on, let's get this out of the way. This is what they look like. This is what they look like, the nice carbon fibre. And then on the inside it's got the three like screws with Allen key bits in, so I'm guessing that's how you put them in. But yeah, and I know that on EGs and old Civics, like the plastic fades so much and people end up like having to respray them or to black every time they clean their car, which that's what I've been doing. And I'll zoom in, I'll get the camera and I'll zoom in so you know what they all look like. These are the new B pillars. This is what they look like. But yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed in the last sort of 1 to 2 weeks, or just in general, because I never thought I would even, like, my goal for this year was to get to 1,000, but I didn't actually think I was going to get there. I was just sort of set on, I was like, yeah, hopefully one day I'll get there. But yeah, it just seems to be going up like quicker than I've ever thought it was going to go, so that's crazy. But make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. The links are down below. And also make sure to check out KSP Cartel. There is Halloween products out at the moment. Make sure to use, I've got a 13% discount code till Halloween that you can use. So yeah, spooky20, and then you can get 13% off. There will be some more coming. I think I've got like 10 more designs to come out, and I just need to like get them out because I sort of had a gap for last week because I was just a bit overwhelmed with everything. So I'll leave you there and I'll let you get on with your Friday evening, and yeah, I'll see you all again soon, guys. Bye.